In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make um, multi-level and multi-angle of the roof. First of all, you have to make any size of the rectangle with the rectangle tool anyway. Okay, and then you can just select this line, or maybe you can select this protector, and then you can adjust the angle with 45 degree, and you can set this angle also with 45 degree also. Then you have to just select this guideline, and then you have to move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Then you can do the same method to duplicate it. Just click and just select this. Okay, and then you have to select the line and just draw to this position. You can select the line to make this basic roof plane anyway. Then you can erase some unnecessary guiding line. Okay, after this you have to move and press Ctrl with the blue axis on it. And then you have to select this line, and then you can move, and then you can move it on blue axis for maybe just near distance only. And then you have to move it also on more higher than the previous group. Then you have to make it group and just make it group also. I'm sorry, you have to make a line for this roof. For the first, in this middle line of the roof, you can make the line, and then you have to erase unnecessary line right here, and then you have to select this line and just press move, and just select this and just move this line to the upper position with the different angle anyway. So you can move it to the bottom and until it connected with the bottom roof, and then you can assign a material. You can assign a material with the roofing. Maybe you can use this material to make it better anyway. Okay, or you can adjust the another material to make it more bright than before. Okay, I think it's enough. Wait for my next video. Thank you.